I have been asked to show you how to be dumb. Unfortunately, I do not possess dumb, so it's going to be extremely difficult to show you this skill. I'll give it a go. I'll try. See what happens. Do you see the door over there? I'm going to jam my arm in it. Why? To teach you the importance of being dumb. But please do not try this at home unless you have a door. I've been advised by my district attorney that you should not try this at all because it is dangerous and you could end up jamming your arm in the door. But I'm going to try it anyway. What's the worst that could happen? It's all looking really good. I'm just finishing off the setup of the door jam on the arm. The setup is complete. I am ready. It goes. Oh. Ow. Ow. So as you can see, jamming your arm inside the door is an effective way of being dumb. But what do you do if you don't have a door or an arm? Why not headbutt a wall instead? I spoke to my district attorney about this and he said it was okay to do it, so I'll be giving it a go. I have at long last found this wall, so we're all good to go now. Oh, I'll be doing it again. Oh. I would say it's only worth trying this method if you have no logic or common sense, or you're just simply too intelligent and you want to significantly reduce your IQ. The final method that you can try in order to become dumb is the same as the second method, but instead try headbutting a different wall. I'm going to try and headbutt this wall over here in order to become dumb, so wish me luck. Ah. I definitely didn't like this method for becoming dumb because it's just too painful. I would stick solely to the other method of jamming your arm in the door or headbutting the other wall. But whatever method you try, just remember to become dumb responsibly. I'm going to go now and see if I can become even more dumb, if that's possible. So I'll catch you all later. See you. Okay, how do I become even more dumb? Uh, Wait a minute. What if I combine all the methods that I've been doing and jam my head in the wall? That's genius. Got to give that a go. Come on. Need it to squish. Why isn't my head squishing into the wall? Can't jam it in there. What am I doing wrong? It's not working. It's not working. I think I might have a concussion.